Well, hello there everyone. Welcome to my kitchen. I'm Christy and it is time to get cooking, and oh my goodness, today guys, I am making ice cream. Yes, we all love ice cream, and this is a fantastic, super easy, no churn ice cream. It only uses 3 ingredients to make a basic vanilla, but there are so many options for add-ins so that you can customize your ice cream to your favorite. And all you're going to need is some heavy cream, a can of sweetened condensed milk, some vanilla extract, and then you're going to need a hand mixer. I'm going to use my KitchenAid mixer today, and like I said, it's super easy. So let me show you just how to make it. All right, so you will need 2.5 cups of heavy cream. I'm going to add that to my mixer. All right, I'm going to add my whisk attachment, and I'm going to beat the heavy cream until I have nice stiff peaks. Then I'm going to add 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract. And I like to use the pure vanilla, not the imitation vanilla extract. All right. All right, so this is what we are looking for. Nice, stiff peaks. All right, then I'm going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. All right, then I'm going to blend this together. Okay, so now you have a delicious vanilla ice cream. All you need to do is put this in a freezer safe container and let it freeze for 4 to 6 hours. But I want to show you a few of my favorite add-ins I like to put in my ice cream, and the first is strawberries. I love a strawberry ice cream. Now I have found that I love using these freeze-dried strawberries because I think it gives a more intense strawberry flavor. The pieces of strawberries will rehydrate in your ice cream, and I like to use these better than fresh because the fresh strawberries, I cut them up, I put them in the ice cream, it freezes, and then I bite into a frozen strawberry. But if you want to use fresh, by all means, you can do that. I'm just going to show you how I use the freeze-dried strawberries. So I'm going to use 1 bag. It's 10 ounces of these freeze-dried strawberries. I'm going to pour them into my magic bullet, but you could use any kind of food processor that you want. Then I'm just going to blend them up a little bit. So I have blended my freeze-dried strawberries, and I still have a few bigger pieces, and then I have some very small, fine strawberries that will really infuse a lot of flavor. And then I'm just going to simply fold them in to my ice cream mix. Then I'm going to pour my ice cream into my container here. Then I'm going to freeze this for 4 to 6 hours. So the next flavor ice cream that I'm going to make is a mint Oreo. I have chopped up 12 of the mint Oreo cookies. Now you can use just plain Oreos, chocolate chip cookies. You can add whatever you want. That's why I love this ice cream, but I'm adding mint Oreos. All right, so instead of using the vanilla extract, I'm going to use 1/4 teaspoon of peppermint extract. And I'm also going to add some green food coloring. 1 drop will do. And then the sweetened condensed milk. And then I'm going to add my chopped up mint Oreo cookies. And I'm going to fold them into my ice cream. So the next ice cream that I'm going to make is for a drumstick ice cream. I love a good drumstick. So all you will need is some sugar cones, 1/2 cup of mini chocolate chips, and then some caramel ice cream topping. All right, so I have taken 3 of the sugar cones and I have crushed them up into small pieces. I'm going to add that. Then I'm going to add my mini chocolate chips. Then I'm going to add a couple tablespoons of this caramel ice cream topping. Then I'm just going to fold all of this into my ice cream. All right, so my ice cream has been in the freezer for about 6 hours. I think it's ready. So I'm going to show you guys just how beautiful this ice cream is. Oh, yeah. Just look at this. Three beautiful bowls of ice cream. I am a lucky girl. Ice cream is very creamy. Okay, well, I really hope that you give this No Churn ice cream a try, and leave me a comment below and let me know if you make it, what add-ins you put in your ice cream. I'm interested to know what your guys' favorite ice cream flavor is. Well, thank you all so much for watching. Have a wonderful day. God bless, and I will see you soon with more delicious recipes.